Rain on the roof. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry sphere. Humid shadows refers to dark clouds which are rain bearing. Hover meaning is to linger, and starry sphere refers to the night sky which is filled with stars. This line paints a picture of sky which is filled with dark rain bearing clouds obscuring the stars. ये जो lines है इसमें एक ऐसा sky depict हो रहा है, present हो रहा है जो फुल ऑफ डार्क क्लाउड, और वो डार्क क्लाउड्स कैसे हैं, रेन बेयरिंग, बिल्कुल काले बादल, और ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे बहुत तेज बारिश होने वाली है। एंड ऑब्स्करिंग द स्टार्स, जो काले बादल हैं उनकी वजह से तारे भी नहीं दिख रहे। एंड द मेलेंकली डार्कनेस gently weeps in rainy tears. So here melancholy means deep sadness and darkness is again rain bearing dark clouds. Gently weeps. So here gently weeps means जो darkness है उसको personify किया गया है. Getting? So the meaning of this line is that the darkness is sad. This line personifies the darkness, suggesting it is sad and is releasing its sadness in the form of rain. So ये जो दो lines हैं इसमें ये है कि जो darkness है उसको personify किया. Personify means क्या होता है? When you give human qualities to inanimate objects, non-living. So अब darkness रो तो सकती नहीं है. जो darkness है वो इतनी sad है कि वो in the form of rain, बारिश की बूंदों की फॉर्म में अपने आंसुओं को बहा रही है. सो हियर वी आर जस्ट पर्सोनिफाइंग द डार्कनेस. व्हाट अ ब्लिस टू प्रेस द पिलो ऑफ अ कॉटेज चैम्बर बेड. Bliss is intense happiness. Pressing the pillow means a relaxed posture. Getting? So ये जो line है, the meaning of this line is that the speaker is finding intense happiness in the simple act of lying in his bed, pressing the pillow, and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Listening the patter of, so the patter, the sound which is being created by the raindrops falling on the roof. So this line suggests that poet is enjoying the pitter patter sound of the rain which is falling on the roof, and that sound is very gentle, rhythmic. This sound is giving him happiness. Every tinkle on the shingle has an echo in the heart. Here shingles means roof tiles and tinkle is sound of raindrop. So what this line is suggesting, that the sound of a raindrop falling on the roof tiles is creating a gentle musical sound which is not just heard but deeply felt. में क्या है कि जब वो जो बारिश की बूंदें हैं वो रूफ टाइल्स पे, जो रूफ है उस पर बारिश की बूंदें गिरती हैं, तो क्या होता है कि जो स्पीकर है, जो पोएट है, उसके हार्ट में क्या हो रहा है, एक इको हो रहा है. मीन्स हर एक वो बूंद जो रूफ टाइल्स पर गिर रही है उससे जो पोएट है उसके दिल में एक इको हो रहा है, यानी साउंड क्रिएट हो रहा है जिसको वो डीपली फील कर रहा है. एंड 1,000 ड्रीमी फैंसीज इनटू बिजी बीइंग स्टार्ट. So here dreamy fancies means imaginative thoughts, and busy being means already the mind of the speaker is engaged in other thoughts. So this line is describing how the rain inspires a flood of imaginative thoughts, memories and recollection. So this line suggests that the simple sound of rain can be a powerful trigger for emotional and 1,000 recollections wave their air threads into woof. So 1,000 recollections there means countless memories which is coming to his mind. Waving is, it is a metaphor which is comparing memories to threads which are being woven together. And air threads, that means memories which are very delicate. And woof is just horizontal threads. This line suggests that the speaker is being flooded with a multitude of memories which are being combined and intertwined like threads into a piece of clothes. So here what he is trying to say, that memories are not solid or concrete but rather insubstantial like the air. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years ago. Years ago means past years. So this line is suggesting that this line expresses the poet's recollection of his mother, specifically how she used to look after him and his siblings when they were children. इस लाइन से क्या होता है कि वो याद कर रहा है अपनी मदर को. ये लाइन सजेस्ट करती है कि जैसे ही बारिश की बूंदे का जो पिटर पिटर साउंड है, जैसे ही बारिश की बूंदे रूफ टाइल्स पे हैं, तो अब जो स्पीकर है वो अपनी पास्ट मेमोरी में चला जाता है और वो अपनी माँ को याद करता है. जैसे उसकी माँ जब उसको और उसके भाई बहन को, जो उसके सिबलिंग्स थे, उनको कैसे वो बहुत ध्यान रख, कैसे वो उन सबका ध्यान रखती थी. To regard the darling dreamers, she left them till down. Here, darling dreamers are who are darling dreamers? जो poet and his siblings. So for his mother, they were the objects of care and affection. So this line is suggesting that his mother would watch over them until they fell asleep. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain. So this refrain means here the pitter patter sound of the raindrop. And now this line emphasizes the speaker's strong emotional connection and longing for his mother's gaze, which he can still feel even when she is no longer physically present. That means कि अभी भी वो जो पिटर पैटर साउंड ऑफ द रेन है, जब वो उस साउंड को, बारिश की बूंदों के साउंड को सुन रहा है, तो वो अपनी माँ को याद कर रहा है. उसकी जो माँ थी वो उसको और उसके भाई बहन को तब तक देखती रहती थी जब तक वो सो नहीं जाते थे. दो हिज मदर इज नॉट प्रेजेंट, अभी उसकी मदर फिजिकली प्रेजेंट नहीं है, बट शी इज प्रेजेंट इन हिज मेमोरीज, वो उसकी यादों में है और वो हमेशा उसकी यादों में रहेगी. और वो ही इज हैविंग अ longing for his mother. Longing here is a desire. So I hope you understood this poem. What is the theme of this poem? This theme explores how nature, particularly rain, has a soothing effect on the human mind.